Hello, I'm Larry Gerrans, the founder, president, and CEO of Sanovas. Sanovas is a life science accelerator. We provide our family of companies with a full range of financial and operational resources they need to rapidly and successfully introduce breakthrough medical technologies. Our companies are focused on developing the next generation of minimally invasive products and therapies that empower physicians with safe, affordable, high-quality solutions that will benefit millions more patients. Sanovas' portfolio of companies are creating and commercializing breakthrough solutions that introduce new paradigms for minimally invasive surgical products and biotechnologies. These products have a common denominator. They empower physicians to access, image, measure, diagnose, and treat diseased and obstructed passageways and anatomy in areas of the body previously inaccessible. Equally important is Sanovas' focus to advance the next generation of interventional tools and biotechnologies that are both effective and affordable for our fellow citizens across the globe. At the heart of the Sanovas company's scientific advancements is the miniaturization of tools for minimally invasive surgery, or MIS. Our products extend access and intervention beyond current limits, enabling physicians to diagnose and perform therapeutic interventions in spaces as small as 1 millimeter in diameter. These regions of the anatomy have been unreachable until now. Achieving these proficiencies benefit the patient by lowering the risk of complication and postoperative infection, by reducing pain, and by improving recovery, thereby returning patients to their lives, families, and jobs sooner. These tools also pave the way to the new frontiers being forged in personalized medicine. Sanovas' intent on advancing miniaturization is to ultimately deliver on the promise of our innovations in molecular science and regenerative medicine. The company's drug delivery, tissue banking, and stem cell banking initiatives carry significant promise in addressing the global epidemic in chronic and degenerative diseases. Over the past 2 decades, the evolution of MIS has advanced the health and welfare of some 750 million patients, comprised mostly of middle-class citizens in Western countries. Yet, at the same time, the number of middle-class citizens worldwide has grown to 3.1 billion people, leaving almost 2.5 billion people no access to minimally invasive surgery. Annually, 64% of deaths worldwide are caused by non-communicable chronic diseases. In addition to the humanitarian promise of MIS, there is a very real, pragmatic reason for emerging countries to strive to provide better, safer healthcare for their workforce. Healthy workers are more productive workers. They contribute in meaningful ways to their country's gross domestic product to fuel, drive, and grow their respective economies. The single biggest challenge in making MIS affordable and available to more and more people is the high cost of these specialized medical technologies. The fact is that emerging markets cannot afford to purchase and maintain the current MIS technologies. For example, a single endoscopic surgical camera system can cost as much as $150,000. Multiply that by the number of systems needed by each specialty in a single hospital, and then by the number of hospitals in a country, and that immediately becomes cost prohibitive to an emerging provider or government. In fact, the realities of these price pressures are adversely impacting the costs of care in our existing markets. To improve upon MIS in the existing markets and to expand MIS to the 3.1 billion addressable patients in the emerging markets, it is of vital importance that we not only advance miniaturization, but that we deliver the cost-effective solutions that support and enable the forthcoming revolution in diagnostic and therapeutic software, molecular diagnostics, and regenerative medicine. And that is just what Sanovas' portfolio of companies are doing. This is a very exciting time to be part of Sanovas Accelerator. If you need to accelerate the development and commercialization of your technology or would like to join us in accelerating our portfolio of companies, we humbly invite your participation. Here, you will find that we have amassed many of the very best minds and very best talents from across the scientific, clinical, legal, and business communities to steward the excellence of Sanovas' portfolio companies. Thank you.